What's up, everyone? Um, I've been predicting this, and I've been saying this, and then I got banned on YouTube, and then I went to Rumble, and that was interesting. And I've just been saying this over and over again. I had originally caught the concept from Santos Bonacci, but I looked deeper into it. I want to share something with you guys. You know me and my sharing, right? So let me share. I really hope you guys can see this shit. Um, Let me just share with you real quick. So, why do they always crash the stock market in Libra? Let me show you some patterns, guys. In case you haven't seen this before, share this because this just happened 13 days ago. Why do they always crash the stock market in Libra? The Panic of 1907, October 1907. Teddy Roosevelt, he was a Republican. The Wall Street crash of 1929, October 24th, 1929. That's the handover date from Libra to Scorpio, so the energies still blend. Herbert Hoover, he was a Republican. Black Monday, October 19th, 1987. Ronald Reagan, Republican. Friday the 14th mini crash, October 13th, 1989. George H.W. Bush, Republican. Stock market downturn of 2002, October 9th, 2002. George W. Bush, Republican. 10% in most of the world's indices drop, October 24th, 2008. That's the handover date again. George W. Bush, Republican. And now we can add October 10th, 2025, when crypto tanked, when the market fell. There was a crash. It was due to, apparently, Trump's 100% tariffs on China's goods. Sent the market into a chaos, into a frenzy. But Donald Trump's a Republican. Now, these are the major crashes over the last 130 years, right? 120 years, 130 years. And I wanted to show the pattern. And I've been screaming that they're going to crash the stock markets in Libra. Do you know why? Because BlackRock has the company BlackRock, Larry Fink, who is now running the World Economic Forum, or at least he's a figurehead. I don't know if he's really running the things, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm not really sure about that yet. But BlackRock has an AI called Aladdin, like Aladdin and the Genie. And it's very hard to explain this, but basically, this AI is so powerful and manages so much, trillions and trillions of dollars. That's with a T. That what basically happens is this AI doesn't track market trends, to see when to get a jump on everything with all this compiled data, compound analysis, whatever you want to call it. What BlackRock's AI does is it sets market trends. So it could cause a big sell-off. It starts, it's basically the same thing that the Rothschilds did. Right, Nathan Rothschild with the Battle of Waterloo. Those of you that don't know the story of how the Rothschilds make their money, Nathan Rothschild was a banker. He had 5 sons. Each one of the sons handled a different country. One was the UK, one was Germany, one was Spain, one was France, so on and so forth. What Nathan Rothschild did was he caught wind because he sent a messenger on a horse. And what he did was he got wind that the Battle of Waterloo, Napoleon lost it. But instead of buying up everything, what he did was he started selling everything to make it seem like he got word that Napoleon won the Battle of Waterloo. So what everybody did was everybody started just selling off their shit. Everybody started selling it off. Then when it came back that that Napoleon had lost, Nathan Rothschild bought everything up for pennies on the dollar, and the value exploded. And these people have been at it for 300 years, or 250 years, I should say. But that's basically what Aladdin does right now: is it sets off trends like Nathan Rothschild did. So, with that being said, I hope you guys can see the clear patterns here. Keep screaming this out to people, guys.